What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. We had a typical gap and go play today, guys. It was really nice. I'm going to be walking you through step by step. So if you're ready, let's step into the war zone. All right, who do we have in the building? Let me send my shout outs real quick. Whiskey Ginger, Trading Wars Army. Who do we have? Who else? Ain, Jeffrey, Chris, Krill, JB, Happy Hookers Fishing. What's going on, brother? Good to see you. Trading Wars Army. Edwin, Otis, Trading Wars Army. Anybody else in here? Do we have anybody else in the building? Where are you guys tuning in from tonight? Let me know real quick. Throw it in the chat right now. Where are you guys from? Anybody from the East Coast, West Coast, North Pole, South Pole? Who do we have? Let's do this. Edwin, Trading Wars Army. All right. Okay, so let me hit the replay and let me walk you through step by step what we traded today, how we traded. So right off the bat, guys, we have to draw the previous day's high and low. That's always going to be a very important level for us to watch because depending on where we open, that's going to determine the strategies that we're going to use. So first thing here, guys, I'm going to go to the 3-minute chart. That's where I started today. I'm going to play the first candle and you could see we gap down. All right. So I want you guys to watch this really close here. AV Trading Wars Army. What's going on? So you could see right here, guys, that we gap below the low. Okay. And whenever we gap below the low, guys, we could expect volatility. So that's what I said right off in the morning is look out for volatility. And look at this chart right here, guys. Into the FOMC play yesterday, you could see we had a big rally into the close. And anytime we gap like this after a rally, you have to imagine that some of these bulls, some of these algorithms are going to be trapped right off the bat, right? They're going to be trapped because they went long, everybody's loading up, blah, blah, blah. All of a sudden, you're seeing people changing their opinion. You know what? Market's going up, blah, blah, blah. But what we do is we wait for the price action, we wait for the fibs, and we take it step by step. So here's the first 3-minute bar. So let me just walk you through my live commentary step by step. So who's ready? 30 seconds for orb, be ready, short. So we went short at 8:33 Central, 9:33 Eastern, send the red. We hit both targets, and this was actually the high of the day. So I'll walk you through this step by step. So we have this first candle. It looks very bullish, but what do you guys think is gonna happen if we break this low? What do you think is gonna happen if we break this low? So if we turn around and we break this low, then it's actually a bull trap because we had buying right off of the open and then boom, this candle came in. So what we did is as soon as this low broke, we had an order to short. Okay, so we shorted right there. As soon as that low broke, we shorted. Boom. I took the Fibonacci on the candle. I used the 272 and the 50 as my targets. Then after that, guys, I just leave a runner on. Okay, I leave a runner on. So nice play here. If I go to the 5-minute, guys, check this out now. Okay, watch now. So remember, that was your opening range breakout. Fast forward, that was the high of the day. So trading can be that simple if you want it to be. And then straight after that, we went into the fibs, which I'm going to walk you through right now. But just hit me with the 1 if you understand the orb. So opening range breakout right here, new low of the day. It's flushing hard cover. I'm done here, friends. No greed. So that's how I'm able on a lot of days to really just hit something off the bat, first 10 minutes of the day to make some money and feel good, right? And that's kind of what you need to do if you don't want to stare at the screens all day. That's your go-to right there. Okay. So I always have a trailing stop loss, like I just said. So I use the fibs in order to guide me there. Okay. So what do we have here? Let me hit the replay now. Let me walk you through. Okay. So remember, what we're looking for is a morning leg fib and a afternoon leg fib. So it's been pretty crazy when you think about it, but it's been like every single day the Fibonacci has been working. And trust me, that doesn't happen all the time. But I feel like, I don't know, since I've been really focusing on it a lot, it's been making good money, guys. So let me go ahead. I'll walk you through the morning leg right now, okay? So the first thing right here is we go to the Fibonacci live setup. So this is our fib room where me and my brother, we draw the fib legs live. Okay, so here was our morning leg. So you could see right here the first 3 candles. So watch closely. So first 3 candles come in. God, I gotta hit the replay again. First 3 candles, 1, 2, 3. What direction is this? What direction is this right here? What is this? Is this up or is this down? What do you guys think? Is that up or down? All right. So this is what I call the impulse. In my book, I write about impulse. An impulse is a directional move. So this is straight down. Okay, straight down. So what we do now is we're looking for it to come back up into the golden zone so we can get short. When you're playing the fibs, you don't want to chase. And this is what brings us to the topic of small accounts. Okay. So for small accounts, listen very carefully. If you short here at the bottom, you're not going to have an account. You have to be the one to have the patience to let this Fibonacci develop, come back into the golden zone. So let me just move this here from the 50 to the 786, right? This is the zone. You want it to come back in that zone because when it pulls back up there, right? When it pulls back up there, it's going to give you a cheaper price on the puts than if you buy down here. And I want you to write that down. I want you to tell me if that makes sense. Hit me with a 1 if that makes sense. If you buy puts down here, you're going to be paying a premium for them because they're already it's already going down. But if you let it come back up to you, that's when you're going to get the best risk to reward. Okay. And remember, we're always drawing this out live, step by step. Right here, you could see we draw it out step by step. And then we said 618 filled short, boom, 382 hit, step by step, guys. Doesn't get better than that. Okay, watch it now. We come in right there. We tag the 618. Okay, and we are shorting on the green candle. Okay, specifically, we're shorting right there on that green candle. Comes in, touches it one time. Check this out. We put in this double inside bar pattern. We know that's an extremely rare pattern. Look at this pattern here. Let me just zoom in for you guys. Look at this pattern. Okay, look at this pattern, guys. So if we look at this, guys, look how perfectly there's a rejection on the 50. Do you see that? This can only be done through algorithms. This doesn't happen by chance. This is precision. Okay, look, watch this. Okay, watch this. Okay, let me put this to the exact levels. Okay, so here's our high 370.93. So let me just go ahead and adjust it to the exact level here. Okay, and the low here is 368.01. Watch this. So the 50% is 369.47. The high of this candle is 369.49, literally 2 pennies, because the algorithm is basically saying this is the floor. It's not going to go above this. We're here. We're ready. We have a double inside bar, which is a confirmation showing you that we're consolidating. And then check this out. Flush right down. And that's all you need right here, guys. This is a good 30-40%. If you're trading futures, so my brother took this with the futures small account challenge. Let me show you that right now. So let me go to his Twitter here and I'll show you guys. He made $300 on that. Okay, he risked $100 to make $300. You can do it with $1,000 to make 3,000, 10,000, 30, 100,000, 300,000. The only thing that changes is the size of the contracts, but you're getting 3 times your money. That is the most important thing. So here's TW Dairy. This is my bro. So you could see here, morning leg short, $307. Unlike a lot of people, I make sure in his small account challenge, this is day 100. I need him to write it out where is entry, his trailing stop, his original stop, as well as his target, and I need him to show the P&L. This is the right way to trade. This is the right way to teach other people. So, a lot of the times for me, I have a big account, and it's not always relevant for people because it's like it doesn't make sense because I have a lot of size. But that's why we decided to teach you guys the fibs and to show the P&L every single day, to show you that you can do this. This is literally, guys, how many contracts was this? This was 2 micro contracts, guys. When you're day trading, you probably only need like maybe $2,000 worth of capital to make $300. That's powerful. That's very, very powerful, guys. This is why we're doing this. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Okay. That's why I'm showing you this step by step. That's how you do it with small accounts. Some of you are not ready for options yet. So you got to go ahead and start off with the futures. Okay. Got to go ahead and start off with the futures, because with the futures, there's no decay. You don't have to worry about that part. Okay. You don't have to worry about the premiums being overpriced. It's just like trading shares. So make sure you hop in, join the challenge, guys, day 100. So we had that first fib right there. And then like always, we have the afternoon leg. So once this trades, I want you to see, so the 0.169, that's my custom Fibonacci that I created. And you can see when we're here, the 0.169, I tested these and I was like, this is a nice reversal area. See that? So what you do right there, guys, is you go ahead and if you want to do the calls now, let's say you don't want to do puts, and either side is okay. As long as you're trading fibs, that's what's gonna give you the edge. So look at this now. We come to the 0.169. The bulls step in right here, boom, 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 and push up. So that's if you're gonna buy the calls, I want you to wait for the measured completion. Here's your pullback. There's the completion. There's where you look for the calls. Don't be buying calls up here, you buy it down here. You always have to dare to do what's the opposite of the chart in order to make the most money. And the only way you can do that is through predicting where it's going to turn with the Fibonacci. Okay. All right. So the next thing we had here, guys, was the so that was it. So we could see here, watch step by step. 618 fills short, 382 hit. Really good rejection so far. I need to see a new low of the day. Send the energy. 10% hit, hard bounce off the 50. There it is. Scale, scale, scale. So crushed it. Crushed it, crushed it, crushed it. Now let me show you the afternoon leg. Okay. And now, so this is the question I get. Hey guys, Rich, this is going so fast. It's too fast. I can't. Okay. First thing is make sure you follow along when we draw it up live. But the second thing is this: trade the afternoon leg. So the afternoon, so this is your afternoon now. So your afternoon comes in around 11, 12, 1 o'clock, right around there. So it's the lunchtime play. So you can go to, you can go let the morning do its thing. Then you can show up in the lunchtime, right? You can say, hey, I'm here to the party. What's going on? Right. And then you let the lunchtime leg play out. And it's the same thing. So 50 to 786 right there. That's what we're looking for in this zone. And you have this bigger leg. Here's your big leg. And now you're saying, okay, come back into the zone and then roll over. And this gives you a little bit more time because you might not be able to catch the morning. So there you go right here. Look, there's your 618 rejection, inverted hammer. And that's all she wrote. See that, guys? So we even come, we retest it again, and then we just like, it's crazy. Look at how this is like a magnet. Watch. Look at this. Look at this. Magnet, magnet, magnet. Boom, boom, boom. There's the floor. Bam, bam, bam. And check this out, guys. So you guys know I love to use the confirmation with the candles. So you could see here at the bottom, we have a holy grail. That's your reversal sign. And then check this out again. When we're at the fib right here, we touch the 618. We have the Trading Wars Holy Grail, which takes us down. Then we have a little Nirvana at the end, a little bit down. And this one was chop. Okay. But this is when you take all of my indicators, you take the fibs, you combine it together. You say, all right, we have a pullback to the 618 exactly. Then we have a Holy Grail, which is a confirmation of a change potentially. We take the break of the Holy Grail right there, flushes right down. All right. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful day. Hit me with 11 if that makes sense. Hit me with I forgot the number. Did I say 11? Hit me with 11 if that makes sense, guys. So it's just beautiful. Like, look, let me tell you something straight up, guys. The reason why the Fibonacci's are working so much right now is because right now the stock market is in chaos. Whenever we're in chaos, you have to understand it's not just me and you trading. Now all of a sudden we have institutions, we have banks, we have pensions, we have everybody's coming trying to figure out what is going to happen next. And when these guys come, right? When these guys come to the market, guys, they're coming to the market with algorithms. Algorithms do their trading. And the way the algorithms are programmed, a lot of the times, algorithms are looking for percentages. Percentages, 61.8, 50, 78.6. Not like us, where they're not drawing flags. It's all percentages, percentages, percentages. Let me tell you something. Think about this, okay? And if you write this down, I think it's going to help you a lot. So think about it like this. If I tell you right now, you can buy this, let's just say this is let's just say this is Nike shoes. This is Nike shoes. If I tell you right now, you can get it for 61.8% cheaper, would you? And it's the same shoes. Would you buy that? Would you rather buy it at 61.8% cheaper or 50% cheaper or 78.6% cheaper? Would you rather get it at that deal, or do you want to chase it when it's at the highest price? That is what the Fibonacci is designed to do. It's designed to give you the 61.8 means 61.8% discount. Okay, 61.8% discount of the last move. If we move to for $1, you're going back 61.8% of $1. Okay. So that, I think that is going to stick with a lot of you. Hit me with a 9 if that makes sense. And hit me with a like, guys, if you're liking the comment. What did I say? Hit me with a like if you're liking the content. All right. That's the way I want you to think about it. Always think about it like that. We want a deal. We have a small account. We're looking for a deal. And make sure you follow TW Dairy. Where's TW Dairy? Follow this. We show you step by step every single day. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do talk about a few more things and then we're going to wrap up. So first and foremost, 100 trade challenge. Everyone, I want you to do this 100 trade challenge. And when you get to the end of it, I'm going to be reviewing a lot of your Excel files and I'm going to give you some coaching, especially people in my Discord. I'll pick some free people here too. I want to see where you get at the end of the 100. Just like, look, Derry right here, he's doing 100 trade challenge as well. And he's filling it in every day. Date, time, symbol, entry, stop loss, target, exit, profit and loss. Fill it out. You're going to see maybe there's 1 or 2 days where you make mistakes. You get FOMO or you overtrade or you do something dumb. And if we can get rid of those days, you're going to become profitable. You will. Trust me. I've been in this game for a long time. It's 1 or 2 mistakes, right? Hit me with a 11 if that feels like you. It's just 1 or 2 things that we can fix. Okay. So people are asking me where I can get it. So in my paid indicators and tools, I have the Excel file. And then in the free indicator section, I have the PDF. Okay. So I have a free version and a paid version. So, trying to help as much as I can. Okay. But I also have to be fair to the people in my Discord, guys. I have to give them the best service I can because, they're out here supporting me. All right. So next thing, Trading Wars FAQ. Read the FAQ. There's the FIB settings. It'll help you out a lot. I get a lot of the same questions every single day. Read the FAQ. Okay. Let's go ahead here now. Let's go ahead and do some scans right now. Okay. Let's do some scans right now. You ready for this? So first thing right here, guys. So I spoke to Trendspider yesterday and I said, look, you gotta give me something really special because we promote you all the time and we do scans and we like your platform. We want to work with you. Help us out. So guys, I got a 30% off lifetime. 30% off lifetime code. Use TWZ30 at checkout. 30% off lifetime on any plan, anything. All right. So that's a special hookup that we got. All right. So if you're debating it, use this code. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's scan the market. Let's see what we get. Okay. So let's look for blue raindrops. I'm not expecting too many picks today because of the fact we had like a lot of volatility. This is a nice one right here. Netflix. Very nice blue raindrop on Netflix. And it's also an inside bar. And if you notice here, guys, Trendspider now has been highlighting the gaps. So for example, here on Netflix, if we break to the upside, your target can be to fill this gap. If we break to the downside, honestly, look out below. So very tight. Look how tight that range is, guys. What do you think this is going to do? This is going to allow us to get options for a cheap price. It's going to allow us to get options for a cheap price because it's a tight range. It killed the premiums today. Okay, hit me with a 6 if that makes sense. That's important. I always like to look for stocks that consolidate, has a tight day, so the options get hit. This is going to be a big, bad pick for Lotto Friday. I'm talking about a big, bad pick. Big and bad. Okay, watch that one right there. Moderna, another one right here. Same type of setup here. Very nice, tight day. Not an inside bar, but we have this little congestion here for the last 4 days. Looking for a breakout into tomorrow, looking for a big day, Lotto Friday. I'll be looking for a big day every single time in Lotto Friday. Just to show you guys, this channel right here, Fibonacci live stock setups, this is where I do my Lotto Fridays. Last week, we hit Procter & Gamble for like 200% on Lotto Friday. Where is it? Right here. No, that's too far. It is, where are you? Right here. So we did the PG Lotto guide. This was about 200%, guys. So check us out, guys. If you want to join up, tradingwars.com, I'm going to show you right now. But let's continue this. Holy Grail. Any Holy Grails out here? Any Holy Grails in the building? I don't think there's going to be any. Anything? So Holy Grail pattern is this yellow one right here. So nothing that I'm interested in. I don't trade whatever that is. I don't trade that. And then let's just look for the Nirvana, see if we can find any. think my free month in the SPY expired. Just needed to go to the website to renew. Yes, sir, brother. Once your free month on the book is done, you can just go ahead to the website to renew if you choose to. All right, here we go. This is a nice one too, guys. So Twitter was a hot name, when we had all that news, etc. So now we have a nice tight Nirvana pattern right at the bottom in this range here. Another possible big Lotto Friday play. So all these are going to be on my radar. I'm going to post them on the Twitter for you guys for free. And then I'm going to, I'm going to scan it myself during the day, and I'm going to give some lottos here tomorrow. Okay. All right. So there we go. There's the scans, everything. All right. Make sure, guys, let me just remind you, I'm doing a lifetime giveaway because we broke 20,000 subscribers. Please fill out this form if you want to enter. I'm trying to give everybody a chance to enter. I think I'm going to give this, another month or so because I want to make sure everybody gets a chance to enter. So fill out this form and respond done. Well, you don't have to respond done, but it's nice to. But just make sure you fill out the form. We're going to do a lifetime giveaway, okay? So there it is right on my Twitter. Let me also link that for you guys. So thank you very much for 20,000 subscribers. I started this channel 2 years ago, basically, and I'm almost at 500 videos. I started teaching 5 people at a time. There was one guy that always used to comment on my videos, and that was it. We just used to do it step by step every single day. And now we're here. We have over 200 people, and I'm just very grateful. So I'm going to be giving back to you guys. Thank you very much. I very, very appreciate it. And thank you for all the support and love from the community. And what I'm trying to do here, guys, I'm trying to change the game. I don't want people to go through the suffering that I did when I lost my money when I first started trading. Okay. All right. As always, guys, if you're interested, you want to trade with us live tomorrow, you want us to draw the Fibonacci's live for you step by step, grab a copy of any one of my 3 books. Okay. Look, if you get any one of the 3 books, you get 1 month for free. You get all of the premium indicators with alerts for life. So you can put it on, you could send you can set it up to send you an email, a text, an alert. I have the custom premium ones that you can have for life, and you get all my scans. Okay. You get my scans in Thinkorswim. All good. Okay. So grab a copy if you're interested. Otherwise, you can sign up right here for the main room, SPY VIP. That's all we do right here. You guys know what we do. And then stocks VIP right here. Okay. Okay. I keep the price low for you guys. Trust me, man. Where I'm at right now, guys, I know what the competitions do. I know they charge you $150. I know they charge you $100 to show you just a chart without giving you any education, without telling you anything. But we're just going to keep doing things the right way. All right. That's how we do it. Thank you very much for your time, my friends. Fill out the forms. Let's have a great Lotto Friday. I hope to see you in there tomorrow if you're interested. Otherwise, in that, guys, have a great night. And let's see if Golden State can close it out. If not, we'll be looking forward to Game 7. Thank you very much for your time. Leave a comment for a chance to win the giveaway on Sundays. Very, very much. Thank you very, very much. Take care, guys.